The reason we chose Amazon is that there's so many customers already there, and if you sell on Amazon correctly, you can still make sure your brand is really well displayed.
Getting into Amazon and marketplaces really changed things.
I just knew that the exposure and the customer base that Amazon had was second to none, and there was no way I could recreate that by myself in my garage.
Amazon's one of the places where we would go to buy our games. We knew that's where we wanted to be. If we wanted to get access to a lot of people very quickly, that was the place for us to start.
We decided to put some products on Amazon, and they just started flying off the shelves.
We went from selling 4 or 5 units a day to selling over 1,000 units overnight.
I always assumed that Amazon was for very large retailers. Actually, they catered for all range of retailers, whether you sold one item a month or one every few minutes.
Any other retailer, we would have had to speak to multiple buyers, negotiate a margin. So they made the process of selling online on their platform really simple and really easy.
For new people coming onto Amazon, now is the time.